So now I'm at my machine. I first pre-drill the cylinder with 5 millimeters. Now I will use 10, then 11.5, and the last half millimeter I will do at home as finishing turning out. So let's do it. My coffee gets iron inside. Too fast. It's very hard metal, so I will reduce my speed and also use water or something to cool down the stuff. And of course need sharp tools. So everything is set now. Reduce slow speed and I start with my thread.
Love will take its time. Love will work it. Love will work it out, y'all. Work it.
Okay guys, I'll let you quick show you how I do my pistons, the finishing touch almost. So I turn first down the almost a good size. I left over 1/10 of a millimeter, and I do it like this. It's not a perfect way, but it can be done, and I need 1.5 to 2 years experience to get really good results. This is a turning steel from a big lathe. It's exact perfect square bar. On this I put grinding paper, water wet. I start with 800, go to 1200, then 2000 and 2500. And of course I use the micrometer to check if I grinding well on every side, good, the same sizes. Just press the bar gently, don't do this, legs straight, and start like this. And move, always moving. You see also on the pattern, where are you? This is still 800, so it's really a little bit rough side, because I still need to go down 200 of a millimeter. And if you do like this with 800 grind, about 1 minute, it's almost 100 millimeter. And later go to the finer paper and you will have a very nice finish, and only the final lapping with the ring is okay. And now check with the micrometer if it's everywhere same feeling of how much you must press. You can feel this very well if it's good. It's still in the middle, a little bit loose, you see, and here it's a little bit tighter, but it's really microscopic. But still try to stay as flat as possible. So a little bit here. And gently press, not too much. And a little bit here. And later if you go to 2500 or 2000, you will get a very nice finish, very nice. And also if you are experienced, you can see the light reflection on the cylinder if it's straight or not. But only gently pressure. And you will get a very nice result with this. It's very nice. So that's how I do my the last step of the pistons, and then just use my adjustable lapping rings like this one, similar. It's a slot is open here, and there I find lapping pasta and household abrasive liquid to do the last steps when the piston pin is inside, and then you have a nice tight piston. So that's about So the engine is together now, and it looks so far really promising, because as I turn now the engine, you hear it suck and transfer blow. And compression seems also very good. So it runs very smooth, very clear. So I'm sure it should run. Only a couple steps away from a runner. It looks very nice. I think he should run. It holds compression. We will see.